What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. All right, today is July 17th. It's a Monday. So I got this package from 4runner Lifestyle. Wanted to share it with you guys. So these are Molle panels for your sun visors. Get the little Velcro straps out. And I got these in red. Check that out. It's pretty sweet. So these are going to go into the 4th gen because the 4th gen is red. And I could just take one out there. These straps strap into these slotted holes. These are made of a really nice stiff plastic. I mean, they don't bend very easy. And they're pretty stiff. So, and these were like 30 bucks. Not too bad at all for a 2-pack. And they have them in black, they have them in white, and then they have them in this bright red. They're going in this truck right here because this truck is red. If I was to buy them for like the 3rd gens, they'd probably be black. But they're gonna go right there. It should fit very well in this truck. I kind of wanted the red because the roof is kind of gray. Thought it would look good, stand out, be easy to see, especially for like off-roading purposes, like radio and flashlights and a couple EDC items. They also have them for the seat, where the pad that sits here, and then there's a bunch of Molle panels right here on the front of the seat. They have these plastic ones that go on the back of the seat, and they have them for the back of the headrest as well. So I'm going to be picking up a bunch of those for a bunch of the different types. They have the Visor. They have the fabric Molle panels with the elastic straps. That's the style that would be for the front seat, in front of the front seat. Then they have this style in black for the headrests, and they have this style in black for the entire back seat in the plastic style, which will come in handy. I'm going to get those ordered as soon as they're back in stock from 4runner Lifestyle. I also got a bunch of other goodies from Ace. I got a bunch of brass and stainless steel couplers, 1/4-inch NPT. Here's the stainless style. I got different styles, 90 degrees, T-fittings, and a few others. I also picked up some stuff from Walmart. I picked up these 2 5-foot hoses, another can of this satin claret wine. I also picked up a can of this at Ace Hardware too. I picked up a little red manifold kit, or a quick coupler kit, I should say. And then I went to Harbor Freight, picked up a couple things. Picked up this foldable utility shovel from Badlands, and I picked up some swivel couplers. I picked up some of these barb fittings, 1/4-inch to barb. And then I picked up this large red pack just to stock up on. But some of these items are actually for the 4th gen out there that are going to go with this ARB kit, this ARB dual air compressor tank, and air inflation kit and manifold kit that I got from East Coast Gear Supply, that are going in the red 4th gen for air locker, ARB air locker axles, air horns, for my Morflate inflation kit. So got lots of goodies coming for the truck. I figured I'd give that little Badlands shovel a try. It could be mounted to one of these Molle panels as well. And I have my one of my off-roading handhelds here, just to give you guys an idea. like so. So now this can hang from the sun visor. It's pretty nice. So, I can pause this, take you guys out there, and just show you how it's installed, or show you what it looks like when it's installed. So give me guys a couple seconds. Actually, to make these videos a little short, I'm going to do that on a separate video. It's just a couple Velcro straps, strap it around the sun visor, and then Velcro it. It's actually not too bad, not too hard. But I got a lot of things to do today. I got several videos to make for you guys, as well as YouTube. So I'll just share what I can. It's pretty easy to install. They're just Velcro straps. They go through these slots right here where my finger is. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, though, checking out the video. Make sure you go check out 4runner Lifestyle if you want to check out some of these items. You can use them on all kinds of trucks. You don't have to just use them on 4runners. But they make all kinds of awesome things for the 4runners. Like, they make these for the 4th gen that actually are a part of that you can mount to the center console, and it runs the whole length. The center console comes up and it has a bunch of mounts, like bolt mounts, right above the little here, I'll show you guys. Here's the center console in the 4th gen. So they actually have a Molle panel that's metal. It's made of 6031 aluminum, and it comes way back here, all the way down the side, and it mounts to the side, and then it has a section that arches up, and it covers right in front of this little cubby that I don't use. And it comes to the other side, runs down, runs all the way across, and it's got bolt holes, and it's got a bunch of those rectangular Molle holes in it for mounting all kinds of stuff. You can mount GPS. You can mount a Garmin, like a race series trail map. I can't remember what it's called. You can mount all kinds of stuff to it. You can mount a phone mount, you know, directly bolts. You can make your own brackets and make your own mounts. And I'm looking at picking that up. It's about $300, but you know, lots of options. And those rests that I was showing you a second ago, the red ones, there's some that mount to the back, and they mount to the headrest, and then they also strap around the seat, and they mount all the way down, and they hang all the way down, so you can mount them in the back seat. They also make them for the back windows, and then they make them where you could put shelves in the back too. All kinds of goodies. But that's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video, and more to come on the other goodies. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace!